Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital wood moisture meter. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the R&D MT19C digital wood moisture meter to see how it performs and why it stands out. Let's get started. Product features: high precision moisture detection. The R&D MT19C delivers accurate and sensitive moisture readings, helping professionals and DIY users detect hidden moisture in wood, walls, cartons, and other materials with confidence and reliability. Large backlit LCD display. Its large LCD screen with built-in backlight ensures crystal clear visibility in bright daylight or dark environments, allowing users to read measurements quickly without eye strain or guesswork. Detachable sharp probe design. The separate probe is made from high-intensity materials and features sharp tips for easy wood penetration, ensuring accurate internal readings while reducing surface measurement errors. Easy probe replacement system. The detachable probe can be easily removed or reinstalled using the included wrench, making maintenance simple and cost-effective while extending the overall lifespan of the device. Built-in flashlight for low-light use. A built-in flashlight allows precise measurements in dark spaces or nighttime conditions, improving safety, convenience, and accuracy when working in basements or poorly lit areas. Battery-powered with low battery alert. Powered by 3 AAA batteries, the MT19C includes a low battery indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to replace batteries and avoid unexpected downtime. Multi-material versatility. Beyond wood, this moisture meter works effectively on walls, cartons, and construction materials, making it a versatile tool for woodworking, building inspection, and home maintenance. Pros: highly accurate and sensitive moisture readings. Clear backlit LCD display for all lighting conditions. Sharp, detachable probe for deep and precise measurements. Built-in flashlight enhances usability in dark areas. Easy maintenance with replaceable probe design. Lightweight and user-friendly for professionals and beginners. Cons: requires AAA batteries instead of rechargeable power. Not designed for liquid moisture measurement. Probe tips need careful handling due to sharpness. Final thoughts. If you need a dependable, accurate, and easy-to-use moisture meter, the R&D MT19C is an excellent choice. Its smart design, precision performance, and practical features make it ideal for both professionals and home users. Moisture problems can cost you more than you think. Check the price link in the description to get the best deal today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more smart tools and honest reviews.